if you're at a point where you think you're getting worse instead of better, are you actually? And I reckon the answer is no. I see it happen time and time again with students after they've been coming for about a year to classes. What happens is when you're first picking up a pencil or brush, whatever you create for the first time, you think is amazing because you couldn't do it before. It's brilliant. No matter how good or bad it is, it's the best you can do and you're proud of it and you'll show everyone. As the time goes on, you think you're getting worse. But what's actually happening is you're learning stuff, and that stuff is in your head. Doesn't mean it's down here in your fingertips. So you've got the hierarchy of competence, and there are several levels. And the first level is when you know nothing and you can't produce anything. But as you get through the hierarchy, you get to a point where you have the knowledge in your head, but you can't really reproduce it without quite a bit of help. Now, that can take various forms, but it does mean that when you're looking at your work, you're going, that's rubbish. I should have done this, I should have done that, I've added too much of this, I haven't put enough of that in, those lines aren't what they should be, that should be straight, there's no angles, there's no lighting, there's no shade, all of these kind of things you're going through your mind when you're looking at your work. Now that shows that the learning is here. You've actually got a lot of knowledge about art in your head. It's just not present in your fingertips or down the end of a brush or pencil. But you know what the next stage in the hierarchy of competence is? That you know it all and you can do it all. So just by pushing through a little bit of negativity in your mind, you'll be able to get to the next stage, which is where you know what you can do, it travels down, and you can do it straight away, without thought. So when you're at a point where you're thinking you're going backwards instead of forwards, stick with it, because at some point it will click very soon and you'll turn a corner and everything will be great. Honestly, trust me, I've seen it so many times. So instead of packing your brushes or your pencils away and giving up, push through and carry on creating, and you'll soon see that you are much better than you think you are. Give it a go, see how you get on.